guys, it's Holly. Welcome back. If you are new here, I do a lot of travel, cooking, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. Today I'm in the kitchen because I want to share with you how to make the most delicious smoked pulled pork. Now I realize that there is a lot of great ways to make smoked pulled pork, and one of the best ways is to make it in your smoker. Let's say you don't have a smoker like me. This method that I'm going to be sharing today is making smoked pulled pork in the crock pot. I got to tell you, this method is not only very easy to do, but it is so tasty, so mouthwatering. You will absolutely love the way that it makes the pork and the flavors. Oh my gosh, just melt in your mouth. So hopefully you own a crock pot. If not, I highly recommend you go out and get a crock pot because this method is such a great way to cook pulled pork. Anyhow, let's get into the kitchen right now as I share with you my method for making smoked pulled pork in the crock pot. First thing, I'm going to get out my crock pot and then my ingredients. I'm going to be using smoked paprika, sea salt, black pepper, ground mustard, garlic powder, liquid smoke, and my favorite barbecue sauce. To prepare my crock pot, I'm going to spray it with cooking spray, and then in a small mixing bowl, I'm going to mix together my ingredients. First will be 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Then 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mustard, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm going to mix together all of these dry ingredients first, and then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of liquid smoke. And this liquid smoke, I'm telling you, is going to be the key ingredient for making this stuff taste delicious. We'll get this blended up real well. Next, in my greased crock pot, I'm going to be adding 3 to 4 pounds of boneless pork shoulder roast. And I like to poke it with a fork just to allow some holes for the juices to seep in. Then I'm going to pour my mixture over the pork roast. And then rub it in as best I can, both on the top and the bottom. And then just to top it off, I'm going to put a little bit of barbecue sauce on top. It's totally optional. I think it helps with getting a little bit more moisture in there. Next, I'm going to put the lid on top and set my crock pot to low, and I'm going to let this cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. However, you can cook it on high for 5 to 6 hours if you want. That is it. Just let it cook, and in the next couple hours, your kitchen is gonna smell amazing with this delicious smoke flavored scent. And after it's cooked all day, you can see just how tender this meat is. You can, of course, use bone-in if you want. If you prefer the flavor of a bone-in, I just prefer doing boneless. But you can see right here just how it turns out. And of course, with that liquid smoke, the flavor is outstanding. I really love how simple this is to make, and that you don't have to get involved with a smoker, but you could still get that delicious smoke flavor. This makes a great main course and goes together so well with a variety of different side dishes. If the weather's bad outside in the summer and you don't want to get involved with a smoker, definitely try making it in the crock pot with the liquid smoke. This recipe is foul-proof, and I will say without a doubt, everyone in my family loves this smoked pork. There you have it. There is my smoked pulled pork or smoked barbecue pork. And of course you could see just how easy it was. I hope this was helpful. I hope that if you go and try it out, you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.